A dramatic Jatra performance in Bhadrak descended into chaos late Tuesday night when an enraged audience member stormed the stage and assaulted an actor mid-performance. The incident took place at Sahada under Bhadrak block during a live play by the Rajnandan Jatra troupe. According to reports, the scene depicted a sexual assault survivor's emotional confession to her family. But as the actor playing her brother refused to believe her, some spectators mistook the act of reality. In a shocking moment, a man climbed onto the stage, hurled chairs, and slapped actor Kartika several times, injuring both him and an actress nearby.
ए समय भितर कोन लागेन मु सेमानु विरोध करछि हठात कोन लागेन मु किछि बुझी पाइलिनी से तो जने दर्शक रागी के आसी के मते तो चार चापड़ खंडे पिडी देगले चेयर फोपाले मो मां जो करथिले मां को देहर बाजिला आ मो देहर आसी कि से सीधी चार चापड़ मते पिटले मोरा किछि बुझबानो मो बापा चरित्र करथिले से तांग बुझे कि नै पण से बाहर छाड़ले.
Senior actress Sonia Malik said the flying chair hit her on the back and could have caused serious injury. She urged the audience to be more conscious of artists' safety. Actress Mama, who played the survivor, said the attack was likely aimed at the act, not at the performance personally, but appealed for tighter security during shows.
दर्शक भाव विहल हो जाउछन एटा तो किछि बड़ कथा नुहे कि एटा एमती हुए किंतु से माने भी भाबिबा दरकार लेडी आर्टिस्ट माने अछन से चेयरटा मो ऊपर पड़िला तो मु आउ कोन हेतांदा धरो पछपटे पड़ला कि कोडी मुंडरे पड़तांदा कि कोन करतांदा ओडे आर्टिस्ट मानकर कोन हेतांदा सेटा को टिके सचेतन हवा दरकार.
पेंडाल ऊपर एमती बहुत कथा भी सुनिया को मिलुची समस्त कि केते प्रकार कथा कहउचंती आमे से कथा गुरुत्व न दे कि आमे हमर काम करि चलू. तो ये जो काली जो घटनाटा घटिला ए घटना माने पुरुष माने कहला बेले जेन्ट्स आर्टिस्ट पेंडाल ताको पर तो नारी को ऊपर केबे सेमिति हबोनी मते लागुची दर्शक एते भी ये नुह ओटे नारी को एमिति अटैक केबे भी करियोनी.
Artists say such attacks are not isolated. Bottle throwing, chair hurling, and verbal abuse have become frequent at Jatra pandals across Odisha. Actor Kartika admitted that while audience emotions are part of the art form, physical aggression crosses a dangerous line. After the troupe intervened, the attacker was removed and calm was restored. The performance later resumed before a shaken audience. As of the latest reports, no police complaint has been filed in connection with the assault.